Hello guys, welcome everyone. In this video we're talking about how to create invoice link in PayPal. I will show you how to do it step by step. So guys, of course, make sure firstly to create your account. Can't do it without it. And after that, you need to go to the Send tab right over here. So in here, under More Options, as you can see, we have this button, Send an Invoice. You're looking for this, click. So as you can see, my account can only be used to send money. So, of course, depending on your country and the corresponding restrictions, you may not be able to send money. So in my case, as you can see, I can't, so I won't be able to send the invoices either. But in general, guys, after you click on here, on the invoice, this is the interface that you'll be presented with. Of course, depending on the time of you watching, the invoice interface can be a little bit different, but should be mostly the same. So what do you have here? You can create a template. You can add a company logo. You can, of course, fill in all of the necessary information, like the invoice number, the date, it's usually required, a reference, that's, subjective, due on receipt if you wish. Then the important one is who you're billing this invoice to. So you enter their email address, and of course, you can customize the quantity if you wish, add or remove detail, and choose the currency in which they will be paying your invoice. So pretty simple, guys. And then you can just save it as a draft. You can also send it via PayPal or share the link by yourself. So if you're talking to them somewhere on the Messenger or something, or on some kind of social web, you just copy this link, send it to them, they're redirected to this link on PayPal and pay the invoice. So enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.